I'm doing a road trip with all my YouTube friends. We're just on like the middle of a highway, actually in Bonnie Doon, which if anyone's seen the castle, you know what I'm talking about. We're going away this weekend for Luke and AJ's birthdays. So they've hired an Airbnb and we're gonna get away and have a nice weekend away. So it's gonna be really fun, and I thought I would vlog it because, you know, why not?
I don't know what it was. Hi everyone! I literally could not
hey!
get up this mic.
Let's do a barbecue.
Oh, I've zoomed in too far. Let's zoom back out. There we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hannah's channel. I did exactly what you said I was gonna do. So we've decided to head down to the main street of Mansfield, and we are now getting some dinner at this fish and chip shop. We're all sitting on this cool little like long table happening and shit. There's the group, everyone say hi. Oh, have you told them that we have the cocktail thing happening? Oh, okay, so for mine and AJ's birthday, we have decided that we have, well, what was it, decided or instructed that everyone bring their own bring their own cocktails. So everyone is going to be making their own individual cocktail that they will be sharing with the group. I am making Cosmos because that is my brand. What are you making?
I'm making strawberry mojito.
What are you making?
Fruit tingle.
What are you making?
What?
What cocktail are you making?
Gin and tonic.
Thank you. Oh. What are you making, Jamie?
Pina coladas.
What are you making, AJ?
Margaritas.
Oh, yeah.
What are you making, Peter?
Aperol spritz.
Oh, yeah.
What are you making,
I'm
baby?
making margarita, but it's like pink grapefruit like me.
Okay, well the food is here, so I'm gonna start digging in because I've got a lot of chips to get through right now.
It's a piñata.
It's pinata.
Oh my god, we're going to do that.
Look at that portal guy.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, no, that's mean. Why'd you get him a looser one?
Wait, are we playing a piñata?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay, I'm ready for that. I am ready for that. On Tinder. Hey girl.
Is that your camera? No. Oh, okay.
Is that your camera? No, it's not my camera. Hannah's.
Hi, Hannah.
Hey to Hannah's vlog band.
Hannah, I'd just like to say, if there was any girl that I wanted to have sex with in real life, it'd be Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, then you.
I don't know, we're just talking shit. I've been lip syncing a lot. Yeah.
So it's Hannah's vlog. I don't even know if this is filming, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oh, honey! Oh, honey, that's bright. Rachel's the auntie that no one wants to talk to.
Or everyone wants to talk to when you're underage.
Yes! Hannah's gonna love editing this. Here's the breakfast aftermath. There's a lot going on.
Okay.
This is what happens.
So we think we've just discovered a lime tree in the garden. I don't know if they're ripe.
Orange.
Oh, it's orange.
It looks like orange. Oh.
Yeah, because they're round. They're not like as oval shaped.
Yeah, it's an
Oh
orange.
my gosh.
You scratch it, you can smell what fruit it is.
Oh, that's definitely orange, yeah. made the most epic cheese board ever, and I'm so proud of it. It just looks so good. I don't know how I've outdone myself because yesterday's is pretty good, but today's is definitely better. So we're gonna have a drink and some cheese and just hang out. Damie's making pina coladas over here. It's all happening. AJ's cooking fried rice. Killing it. It's gonna be a great night.